Hey guys, Boost Auto here. Today we're going to be showing you how to replace these boring stock dim amber mirror lights on these tow mirrors for 2020 style factory OEM tow mirrors.
These Boost Auto tow mirror lights are for your 2020 plus Chevy and GMC 2500 and 3500 trucks. These lights are 100% plug and play and can be installed under 20 minutes with just simple hand tools. That means no tapping, crimping, or splicing involved. Just install and enjoy. Plus, Boost Auto's mirror lights feature customizable options that will fit any build. These lights are available in white and amber running lights, as well as switchback functionality, and our signature startup sequence to match all your other Boost Auto products. If your vehicle is a different year range, head on over to boostauto.com for the latest in fitment and availability, and to purchase all we have to offer. Let's get into it.
First thing we need to do is remove the upper glass. So we're going to take a flathead screwdriver, and from the inner corner here, you're going to slide it up and pry between the glass itself and the power adjust motor on the mirror. This section here is what's going to clip onto the motor for the mirror. There's this little slot here, so you want to locate that slot, slide the screwdriver in, and start by twisting. It'll slowly delatch the glass. It's the best way to remove the upper glass on the mirror. So once you have your screwdriver in there, you might have to pry out on the glass just slightly, but you want to make sure you're using the screwdriver to pop it out, and just pop this out. Any connectors on the back side, you might have multiple. If you have the Boost Auto Signal on Glass kit, which is a great upgrade, add signal to the glass itself, just like the older GM vehicles, unplug that as well. Now on the lower glass, we want to pry on the upper support here. So when you're removing the lower glass, insert the screwdriver just from the top. It'll slide right in here. Again, you can twist and it'll detach it from the mount. Now we're going to remove the lower glass here. So sometimes you can just pry up on the top. We recommend using a screwdriver, so this will prevent you from bending the glass too much and deforming it. So just pry at the top, that'll pop out as well. Now to remove the shroud, that'll be this next step here. There's a couple screws we need to remove. These are T15 screws, so there's one in each corner of the mirror. So you want to pay note to where those are, but we're just going to remove those now. And then once you have all those screws out, you'll simply pull back on the shroud. Now make sure this side cap doesn't fall off. That cap is being held on by the shroud, so you can just remove that, set that off to the side. And then on this light, if you have this cargo light, there's a connector back here. You can just slide that off and set the entire shroud off to the side.
While we have the mirror part, we're also going to replace the mirror caps, but you can reuse the old ones as well. You can purchase new caps to install at boostauto.com.
Now the next step we need to do is remove this power adjust motor from the mirror. So there's actually two screws on the bottom corner and then on the top corner as well. So to find those, just angle the motor all the way down to the left to start. And we have a screw here and a screw there. You remove those with the same T15 Torx bit. And then we'll do the same thing on the top corner as well. So there's two more screws up here, and then that'll release this motor. Just make sure you hold the motor. That'll now slide directly out towards you. And then there's a connector on the back side that we'll need to disconnect. So that you can just pull back on and it'll come out of place. Now we have three more screws to remove before we can remove the light. You have one at the bottom of the light here, one in the right or inner part of the mirror, and then you got one up at the top corner of the light back in here. And then we're going to unplug the mirror light connector that's plugged in right here. So there's a tab on the side. Just press that tab in, pull the connector back, and that'll come out. Now the last step we need to do before we remove the light, we actually need to extend this mirror halfway. So we're going to pull on the mirror. And we'll extend it halfway. You don't want to come all the way because you want this shroud to be loose against the mirror, the inner mirror structure. So sliding it halfway leaves a gap between the arm of the mirror and the mirror head itself. Now we'll separate the shroud and remove this mirror light. It may take a little bit of finagling to get this out of there, but it'll slide right out. just like that. Then you'll take your new light from Boost Auto and we'll peel the protective film off so we can install this fully. And then we'll slide this mirror light back in the same way. So separating those shrouds, being careful not to scratch up the lens, we'll slide this all the way back in. And then we'll slide the mirror back into place just to hold that shroud in a little closer. And then plug the mirror light back in the same way. There's no wiring needed on these mirror lights, everything's fully plug and play. Now we're gonna reinstall the power adjust glass motor for the upper glass. Two things to note before you reinstall this to make sure it's orientated properly. There will be text on the front surface of this. You wanna make sure that's upright. And also on the back side, there's gonna be a connector. That connector should go to the top side of the mirror. It should not be on the bottom side. So we'll start by plugging this motor back into the connector. You wanna make sure to remember that step here. So plug that back in, it'll just slide into place. And then we can align those screw housings up with the correct post on the mirror. And then we can screw those back into place. Make sure they're snug, you don't over tighten them. Now we'll reinstall these 3 other screws, so one at the bottom of the mirror light, one down here, and then another at the back side of the mirror light. Now we can replace our lower or our side cap as well. So we're just going to slide this in behind the top cap. It'll clamp itself into place a little bit, but you're still going to want to hold this as you reinstall the shroud to make sure everything clamps in place and nothing falls off the mirror. While supporting your side cap here, you want to reinstall the shroud. So first we need to re-plug in this connector. Again, you want to make sure you support that side cap enough so it doesn't fall off of the mirror. So slide that connector on. And then you can reinstall the shroud by just pressing it back into place, but be aware of these connectors. You want them to route back through the original holes, so we're going to do that real quick here. If they don't route correctly now, you won't be able to plug them into your glass. So make sure those are routed correctly, and then this will just clamp back into place. With the shroud in place, we're going to reinstall these 4 screws then. Now we'll take our lower glass and we will reinstall that. You want to make sure the tabs are lined up around the mirror, around the mount, making sure everything's correctly orientated before you press it into place. But once it's all lined up, just press on the center of it. You don't want to force it too much, but it'll take a little bit of force to clip back into place. And then for your upper glass, you'll want to reconnect any connectors on the back side of the glass, so we'll do that now. And then you'll line these 4 stabilization pins on the inner part of each of these guides. You want to make sure it slides on the inner part. Once that's all lined up, you can press fit this back into place as well. And then press that back into place. It'll clip back in, just like so. You can rotate it to make sure it's fully locked into place. All right, guys, now we have our new mirror lights from Boost Auto installed onto this truck. These are much brighter, much better, all sorts of options. This is our white running light, but it's offered an amber running light, standard signal, sequential turn signal, even offer the spotlights just like the OEM mirrors. So check these out on our website, boostautoparts.com. Pick up those lights along with all sorts of other parts for these truck, cab lights, side running boards, all sorts of other cool stuff for these trucks. So check it out, boostauto.com, and we'll catch you in the next one.
The products shown in this video and so much more can be purchased on our website at boostauto.com. We're proud to offer a wide variety of products, parts, and accessories for your truck or SUV that will take your build to the next level. To watch videos like this one and to find out about our newest innovative products for your vehicle, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. We'll catch you on the next one.